Welcome back to Explore, how to fix your laptop keys are being pressed automatically. So if the letters on your keyboard are automatically being typed or pressed, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu and click on Settings. Now, from the left-hand side, click on Accessibility, and then scroll down and click on Keyboard. Make sure sticky keys are turned off and disabled, and also make sure filter keys are turned off as well. You can then close this window and open up your Start menu again. Search for Device Manager and click on it. Now, go ahead and click on the drop-down arrow next to Keyboards, and you should see your keyboard device. Right-click on it and then press Update Driver. Now, click on Browse My Computer for drivers, and then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then select this option and click on Next. Once you've done this, check if that fixes the issue. If it's still not working, there might be some dust or debris stuck around your keyboard keys. So what you need to do is take something like a cloth and gently clean all the keys on your keyboard. Make sure no key is stuck or being pressed down. Also, make sure all the keys are clean and free from dust or debris. Once you've done this, it should fix the issue where your laptop keys are automatically being pressed.